Hello.
Hi, welcome to the eye clinic. How can I help you?
I want to ask about contact lens.
You want to ask about contact lenses?
Yes, I wear glasses now, but I want to try contact lens.
You want to try contact lenses? That's great. Have you used them before?
No, I not used before.
You have not used them before? No problem. We can help you.
Is it easy to use?
Yes, it is easy. We will show you how to put them in and take them out.
How much cost?
How much does it cost? It is $20 for one pair.
I want buy one pair, please.
You want to buy one pair. Okay, we will also check your eyes first.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. You will do great with contact lenses.
I am happy to try.
That's wonderful.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the pet grooming salon. How can I help you?
I want to wash my dog.
Yes, he is very dirty now.
No problem. What is your dog's name?
His name Max.
His name is Max. He is a big dog or small dog?
He is small dog.
He is a small dog. That's easy. Do you want a simple wash or special shampoo?
I want special shampoo, please.
Great. We have a nice shampoo for dogs with soft fur.
How much cost?
How much does it cost? It is $10 for a wash with special shampoo.
That is good. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Max will be clean and happy soon.
Thank you. I am happy too.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Lost Property Office. How can I help you?
I lose my umbrella.
You lost your umbrella?
Yes, I think I leave it on the bus.
You think you left it on the bus. What does your umbrella look like?
It is blue and big.
Blue and big. Did you lose it today?
Yes, I lose it this morning.
You lost it this morning. Let me check our lost items.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you. Did you find my umbrella?
Yes, we have a blue big umbrella here. Is this yours?
Yes, that is my umbrella. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I'm happy you found it.
I am happy too. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the bus card office. How can I help you?
I want put money on my card.
You want to put money on your card?
Yes, I not know how to do.
You don't know how to do it. No problem. Do you have your travel card with you?
Yes, here is my card.
Great. How much money do you want to add?
I want add $10.
You want to add $10. That's fine. Please give me your card.
Here you are. I pay with cash.
You pay with cash? That's okay. I will recharge your card now.
Thank you. How I check my balance?
How do I check my balance? You can check it at the machine or ask here.
My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good trip on the bus.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the children's clothing store. How can I help you?
I want buy school uniform for my son.
You want to buy a school uniform for your son?
Yes, he starts school next week.
He starts school next week. What size does he wear?
I'm not sure. He is 7 years old.
No problem. We have sizes for 7-year-old boys. Do you need a shirt and pants?
Yes, I need shirt and pants.
You need a shirt and pants. What color is the uniform?
It is blue and white.
Okay, here are blue and white uniforms. Would you like your son to try them?
Yes, he can try.
Great. The fitting room is over there.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I hope your son enjoys his new school.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the appliance store. How can I help you?
I want buy new fridge.
You want to buy a new fridge?
Yes, my old fridge not work.
Your old fridge does not work. I understand. What size do you need?
I not know the size. My kitchen is small.
Your kitchen is small? Then a small fridge is good for you.
Yes, I want small fridge.
Do you want a fridge with freezer?
Yes, I want with freezer.
This model is small and has a freezer. Would you like to see inside?
Yes, please. How much cost?
How much does it cost? It is $200.
That is good price. I take it.
Great. We can deliver it to your home.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new fridge.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the swimming pool. How can I help you?
I want to ask about family pass.
You want to ask about a family pass?
Yes, I come with my husband and 2 children.
That's great. Our family pass is good for 2 adults and 2 children.
How much cost the family pass?
How much does the family pass cost? It is $20 for 1 day.
Can we swim all day?
Yes, you can swim all day with the family pass.
That is good. My children not swim very well.
My children do not swim very well. That's okay. We have swimming lessons too.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I hope you and your family have fun at the pool.
Thank you. We are excited.
Enjoy your day.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the market. How can I help you?
I want to buy fruit. What fruit is good now?
You want to buy fruit. What fruit is good now? Right now, apples and oranges are in season.
In season? What mean?
Oh, I understand. How much cost apples?
Oh, I understand. How much cost apples?
How much do apples cost? They are $2 for 1 kilo.
I take 1 kilo apples, please.
Sure. Anything else?
You have fresh berries?
Do you have fresh berries? Yes, we have strawberries today.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your fruit and have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Hello.
Hi, welcome to the shoe store. How can I help you?
I want buy shoes for rain.
You want to buy shoes for rain? You mean waterproof shoes?
Yes, I want waterproof shoes.
No problem. We have many waterproof shoes here. What size do you wear?
I wear size 38.
Here are some size 38 waterproof shoes. Would you like to try them?
Yes, I try it.
You want to try them? Here you go.
They feel good. How much cost?
How much do they cost? They are $40.
That is good. I take this pair.
Great choice. Anything else?
No, thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new shoes and stay dry.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the art supplies shop. How can I help you?
I want buy paints.
You want to buy paint. What colors do you need?
I need blue and yellow color.
You need blue and yellow colors. Here they are. Do you want small or big tubes?
I want small tube, please.
You want small tubes. No problem. Anything else?
You have green paints?
You have green paint. Yes, we have green too.
How much costs 1 tube?
How much does 1 tube cost? It is $2.
I take 3 tubes, please.
Great. Your English is good. You're learning.
Thank you. I try every day.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your painting.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a creative day.
You too.